Living in space. Living in space is very different from living on Earth. There is no gravity, so everything floats, including people, food, and tools. Astronauts must learn how to move slowly and carefully inside the space station. They eat special food from bags and drink water from small pouches. Taking a shower is difficult, so they use wet towels to clean themselves. Sleeping in space is also different because they must tie themselves down in sleeping bags. Every part of daily life becomes a new challenge without gravity. Astronauts live and work inside a space station that orbits the Earth. The station has air to breathe, food to eat, and machines to stay warm. They work many hours doing experiments, checking systems, and staying healthy. Astronauts exercise every day to keep their muscles strong in zero gravity. They use machines like treadmills and bikes that are made for space. Working in space requires focus, teamwork, and strong training. Every task must be done with care to stay safe. The view from space is one of the most beautiful things astronauts see. They can see Earth's blue oceans, white clouds, and green lands from far above. At night, they watch the stars and the lights of cities shining below. The sun rises and sets many times each day as the station moves quickly around Earth. This view helps astronauts feel connected to home, even when they are far away. Many say the experience changes how they think about life and our planet. Space shows how small and special Earth really is. Living in space helps scientists learn how to prepare for longer trips, like going to Mars. It teaches us how the human body reacts to being in space for a long time. People work together from many countries to make these missions possible. This teamwork brings hope and progress for the future. One day, humans may build homes on the moon or other planets. Living in space is not easy, but it is full of discovery and adventure. It helps us dream bigger and reach for the stars. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and follow us for more.